In front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen. Begin by launching one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view and leaving it open in the background. Now open the second one and this time access it in the background. To do that with trickiest navigation, use the square button. Now it's time to decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Then click on Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!